conceptual perspective to view things. People talk about it as success, all of the elements.
Hello, everybody. Dr. Rick Wallace dropping in on you. Just wanted to take a few moments to talk to you about the acquisition of some skills that are in high demand as the workforce evolves. We are offering training and courses in a number of skill sets that will be in high demand in this particular decade. From 2020 to 2030, we already know that there's going to be plenty demand for about 8 to 15 skill sets that don't require a formal education in the way of a degree of any kind, but just the skill sets that you can demonstrate. Some are copywriting, coding, UI design, public speaking, data management, content creation. What's another one? Digital advertising. That's another one. We are offering courses that are from 6 months to a year at the Visionetics Institute for people who want to prepare for the evolving workforce. What do I mean by that? I mentioned this earlier in a video that I was doing on another topic, and I want to kind of open up and explain this a little bit more in detail. Over the years, the workforce always evolves. It goes from agriculture and farming was the big thing back in the days. It was about farming and harvesting. Then it went into the Industrial Revolution. Then it went into the information age. Then it's gone into tech now, and it's evolving into a rapid technological AI, digital advertising. Everything is digital. Everything is instantaneous, happening in real life. And even in marketing, you will find that some of the major companies have literally flipped their marketing budgets. Why? Because marketing online via social media, via website, via content procurement and creation, they are able to have far more reach, far more engagement, get better customer intelligence, and on and on and on, and be able to easier to do it, get the analytics and the metrics, which are the numbers that explain how well their efforts are working. Get that almost in real time. All of this is happening, and it's evolving into this. And what is happening is the industrial side of things is pretty much dead. The way the workforce used to be set up is quickly evolving and dying. A lot of old jobs that people used to be able to do without degrees are now being outsourced outside of the country, are being automated. And so you go into a fast food restaurant, they have kiosks now. You can order from the kiosk. You don't even have to go to the cashier. You go into grocery stores, they've got automated checkouts where you can walk through and check out your own groceries. And they even have car sale vending machines now. You can buy your car online and go pick it up at a vending machine. It's crazy, but it exists. And so even at some point, you're going to look at jobs like sales. The car salesman, the job is not as guaranteed and everything like that. Why? Because people can cut out the middleman. People can deal with it without the selling pressure. People can do a lot of things, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. So these jobs, like content writing, if you're going to do something online, content is key. Content is pinnacle. So when you get a good copywriter, somebody who can write copy that's going to get the readers to respond, and that copy can come in a number of different ways. One of the ways that I was able to, after having my big collapse, was able to come back was through my writing skills. There's so much work out there. Writing content for website, writing descriptions for products, writing letters that clients are going to put in their emails, writing letters that clients are going to send out, to whatever. I mean, there's a constant demand. There are platforms that will sign you up so that you have access to the customers who are making demands. But if you get good enough, you can literally have people contacting you directly, and it pays extremely well. It's not going to be like a big ticketed item like public speaking or life coaching, something else I do, but I guarantee you, one platform that I've written for a while is Constant Content. Constant Content is where people come to get quality, well-written edited and critiqued work. So in other words, when you write it, you're going to submit it to an editor, and the editor is going to check it for grammatical errors, spelling errors, clarity, and so much more. And then if it's approved, it's put out. You can either write specifically for a client, or you can write what you love to write about and put it in your inventory, and people will come shop your inventory and buy from you. On average, an 800 to 1,000 word article for me sells about $150 to $175. Now, that takes me, because I've been doing this for a long time, that takes me less than 20 minutes to write. So you can get an idea of what you can do compared to what you have been doing, you know, and it doesn't require that you have a degree. They're not checking degrees, they're checking skills. So you're going to take a test if you want to write for constant content. Another one is Text Broker. Another one is Hire Writers. Another one is Writer Access. And they all have different levels of paying, different ways of getting it. By far, custom content pays more than the others. You're going to have to be a better writer to get accepted there, but they have a very high success rate when you do get on. There are a lot of other things that you can do with this. You can literally go write articles for all different types of sites. If it's a business out there, they need content. Now, that's just the writing side. You can also do content creation, which we're also going to teach. Content creation is a little more expansive than copywriting. Copywriting solely deals with the written content that's out there, generating leads, generating likes, generating power rankings with search engines like Google, Bing, etc. And that's that side of it. But content creation is everything that people can consume. So you're talking about videos, podcasts, written content, memes, graphics, all of that. You get into that, you learn what works, you learn what moves, what platforms do what. You can get in, you can do this on your own as a business owner. There are companies that are looking for content procurement, content creators. There's so much work out there for that. Then you've got stuff like coding. Coding is something that I haven't done a lot of, so that would actually be outsourced. But the content writing and the content creation, public speaking, those are ones I'm going to be. Digital advertising, digital marketing. If you can learn how to use these platforms with advertisement, with written content, with creating viral content, that's real huge. Viral content can produce so much in a very short period of time by way of revenue, by way of building someone's subscription list, because subscription lists are money. It's, you know, so it's so much out there. And to learn this, you're going to learn the business side of it. You're going to learn the skill side of it. You're going to learn how to enter into the market, how to present yourself, and all of that. But you definitely want to be aware of this. The other side of this thing that most people don't consider is they think that, you know, some people think that I have an issue with college and everything like that. No, the fact that I've got these degrees actually tells you I don't have a problem with it. But the problem is, for the most part, you got a workforce where 70% to 75% of the people are not working in their degree fields. Why? Because there are no jobs in the degree field. However, they are carrying anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000+ in student loan debt that they can't work their way out of because they can't get a good enough paying job to do it. And so that's my thing. If we can enter into the workforce without the student loan debt, if we can enter into the workforce actually ahead of the 8 ball and not pressed against the wall by debt that already exists before you ever get the game started. The biggest enemy of wealth building is debt. So if you start the game out with this huge amount of debt that's heavily interest laden, and you look up, I know people in their 50s haven't paid off their student loans. That means they're almost approaching retirement age, and they haven't been able to build anything because they have these student loans. And when you got student loans and they are government-backed student loans, those people will eventually come after that money, and they will garnish anything, take anything, place liens on anything. How can you build something with that over your shoulder? This is a way. This is a way to actually get into the workforce with a minimal amount of investment, literally being in a situation where within a month you can literally pay off what you've invested in learning the skill. We are making this as affordable as we possibly can for the masses, because I want everybody to have an opportunity to increase their earning potential. Even if you're doing something right now, this is something else you can do to increase your earning potential. What you need to do is have a plan. You need a 6-month plan, a year plan, a 3-year plan, a 5-year plan. Not so much in the technique, because that's going to evolve so fast. What you need a 6-year plan in is in goals of what you want to accomplish financially, what you want to accomplish in your career, and you need to have the means through which to do it. I'm trying to set it up to where I can do as much as I can from my end to teach people how to get out here and do it. I've done it through writing. I've done it through content creation. I've done it through public speaking. I've done it through digital advertising, through Odyssey Media Group, which is one of my companies. The public speaking and the life coaching I've done through the Visionetics Institute, another one of my companies. What I'm trying to tell you is, I'm not talking about anything that's where you're thinking, oh, you're going to get out here and you're going to get rich. This isn't about getting rich. This is about establishing a method through which you can earn a substantial amount of money to put you in a situation where you are not solely dependent on another person's vision, dream, idea, or company, for lack of a better term, to supply your life. You can actually enter into the market on your own. You don't have to wait for somebody to hire you. Now, there are some jobs out there that are worth getting hired for if you become really good at this. There are jobs out there that people are paying pretty nicely, up into the 6 figures. No, this help. Everybody, sorry for the interruption. There was an emergency phone call I had to take. So much going on right now. But if you're seriously interested in acquiring a skill that will open up the market for you for increased earning potential and longevity, in something that you can wake up every morning and actually love doing, definitely click the link, go to the site, find out what it is you want to do, contact us, and learn how you can get enrolled and started as soon as today. And we're talking 6 months to a year. And we're also in a process now where we're working with a school that is already accredited for accreditation, so that these can actually be transferable credits. But even if they're not, the skill set will open the door for you. If you can prove you have the skill set, you can get what you need. That's the beauty about this new workforce. It's totally transforming how we're going to approach our skill acquisition. I'm excited about it. I'm going to do whatever I can from my end to empower as many people as I can. That's why I've made the courses so affordable, relatively speaking. You won't get into tens of thousands of dollars of debt. Matter of fact, you're going to pay for your courses up front, and the most you're going to pay at this particular point in time, we don't know what will happen in the future, but at this particular point in time, anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000, and you will literally have a course that can open up the job market for you in an evolving market. No, nothing is free, but I think for what you're going to get, it pays for itself quite quickly and eternally. So it's something you're going to learn and consistently use, because once you learn it, you're going to see the evolution of it as you participate in it, and you will evolve yourself in it from a skill aspect. So definitely click the link, go check it out. I'm out.
Here I come, ready or not. Frank Ocean made this record hot.
From a conceptual perspective, people talk about it as
I ain't throwing shots. Careful who you